Hello guys, this is Usha and welcome back to the channel The Dreamy Panda. In today's video, I am going to talk about a book I have read recently. It is Ikigai. Ikigai is considered as the secret of Japanese long and prosperous lives. So, I am going to give away a few rules or lessons I have learned from this book so that it helps us make our lives better. We often hear great things about Japanese, like they are very disciplined, healthy, happy, and they live very long. This is because they believe in something called Ikigai. Let me explain what Ikigai is. Ikigai is a combination of two words, which is Iki and Gai. So Iki means life and Gai means purpose. When combined together, it means that the purpose of life. So they believe that knowing the purpose of one's life is the reason for their existence, and this makes them happy. The happier they are, the longer they live. Japan is one of those countries in the world which has many number of people who are aged 100 and above. We call these people centenarians. So Japan is known to have highest number of centenarians, and there is a province called Okinawa in Japan which is particularly famous for this. So this book is a study based on a village called Ogimi in Okinawa province. So this book has great advices given directly by the centenarians of the Ogimi village. I have picked a few that are worth sharing with everyone and I have put them in this video. So let's get started. The first golden rule is stay active and never retire. The Japanese do not have the concept of retirement. They believe to do what they are doing until their last breath. The logic is very simple. If you are doing what you love, then why do you have to retire at all? We can see people who are 120 years old doing a job every day. This is because they love what they are doing. Also, it is known that they have this habit of walking or doing some sort of exercise every day to keep themselves fit mentally and physically. So they believe in staying active always, and this is one of the reasons for their healthy and happy life. The next important reason is food habits. Japanese eat very healthy. They believe in eating a rainbow, which is a group of side dishes and one main dish. The main dish contains rice because rice is their staple food, and all the side dishes are put in small quantities so that it makes them feel that they are eating a lot but they are actually consuming very less. Also, this meal is called a rainbow because it contains different varieties of vegetables and fruits, and including different varieties of vegetables and fruits is the primary goal of a Japanese diet. Rice is the major food consumed by Japanese, and other than rice they eat a large variety of fruits and vegetables and also fish, and most importantly they consume very less amount of sugar. Also, Japanese believe in a concept called harahachibu. According to this, you are supposed to leave the table when you're 80% full, means you should always be a little hungry when you're done. This way you do not consume too much and do not get unhealthy. The Japanese believe in living in communities and making friends. Yuvemaru, which means teamwork, is taught to them right from their childhood. They believe that adding this aspect to their lives makes it more happy and prosperous. They have communities formed in every village that is responsible for the community's growth and also for the village's growth. Every single person in the community is treated as a family, and his problems or her problems are treated as their own and solved whenever they are faced. They also have various celebrations like sports meets or birthday celebrations that are done to make sure that the community always stays together and meets often. This concept of staying together and living in harmony is another major reason for their happy lives. These days, stress has become a part of our lives. We get stressed for the tiniest of things like a notification on the phone or a knock on the door. We get excited, and this kind of anxiety leads to bad health. The Japanese believe that stress is the main reason for aging and it makes you look old. The best medicine for anti-aging is to stay less stressed. However, they also believe that a little amount of stress is always required to maintain our mental health. The next important rule is live in the moment. These days, we are always worried about the future or continuously brooding over the past. This way, we are forgetting to live in the present. The only way to live a happy life is to not think about the past and future, but think about the present and live the moment. The Japanese believe in living a day at a time and enjoying the small things in life. This way, you are not only living peacefully, but you are also living an unhurried life. The last and the most important golden rule is following your ikigai. Like I said earlier, ikigai means purpose of life. Finding the purpose or reason to live is the best gift you can give yourself. It can be farming or creating art or helping others. Whatever it is, living your dream is the best way you can fulfill your life. Now, if you're wondering how to follow your ikigai, the best way to do this is by achieving flow. A flow is considered the state where you're involved in a work so much that nothing else matters. So, find a job that keeps you involved and you do not think about the past or future while doing this. That way, you can live life to the fullest and have a very healthy, happy, prosperous, and a long life. So these are the 6 golden rules or lessons I've learned from this book. If you want to learn more, you can always go ahead and read the book. It is a very small book and can be completed in one go. I highly suggest everyone to read the book to understand everything I have told with case studies and various examples. I'll make the Amazon link available in the description for you to get the book if you want one, but considering the lockdown, it is difficult to get a hard copy now, so give it a try with the ebook or the Kindle edition of it. It is available and I can add the links to them as well in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and press the bell icon below to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Please make sure that you're following the social distancing and stay indoors to fight the coronavirus.